July 31, 2024. That's what we got here. And yes, it's running on Znter batteries. See, it says Znter is upside down. Oh well, can't put them all. There's that. And it's not plugged in. It's running on batteries. Okay. Got the entire antenna and all that. Okay. Then just okay. So now let's see here. Well, I just turned the volume down with my finger by accident. Alright. I'm trying to do this out with a tripod. I'm playing a CD, but let me show you the. Okay. I've got. Well, okay, I need to get down to the ground with this somehow. Let's just do this. There we go. Alright, so there's this demonstration tape. Flip it over to radio tape. Now, this is not a very good demonstration tape. Let me show you. It is a, what is this? It's a, yeah, anyway. And it can't be on that side, it's got to be on this side. So this is just to show you that this works, so I'll just hit rewind, and then we'll hit fast forward, and then we'll try and play it. So there it is. Got bass, no bass, all that. Anyway, not a very good tape. Let me take out that and get a really good tape. This is a really good tape here. This will play, but I can't play it for very long because it's copyrighted, right? So it's side A. Drop that in, hit play. Forward that just a bit. That has music search, but it doesn't work. It says right up there, but it doesn't work. Just went right past, so. Anyway, that works. Sounds really good. Flip it to radio. And we really can't play that, but.
Tell me when fine, man. Just do you what you got in it. Te agradezco mucho, papuchón.
And then there's AM. Well, I don't listen to AM anyway. Whatever. Throw it back. Oh, let's go back to line N. So I'm playing this here, right? Just, what is it, 6? I like 6. There we go, there's 6. So, now, well, I'm sitting in a chair and trying to move this. Okay, that's good. Actually, it's what, number, let's try 2. Oop, went past. Okay. This is, what is that? That's, okay. Wake up the phone. Oh, I can't do it with that hand. Okay, gotta do it with this hand. There we go. Nope. Well, okay. Here, I just went through this. See that on there? I just went through here and went through all these pictures and did that, and anyway, so here I am. There I am right here, right now, okay? There we go. So, that's not what I wanted to show. I wanted to do this. There we go. What I'm playing is, number 2, this is once was. So right there. Stop. There we go. So that's what it is. We're having enough fun here. Anyway, so this. Oh, and the last little thing you don't know about this box. Let me bring it up here. If I can really show it to you. Well, camera back in my hand properly. This had foam rubber or whatever with D10 in the front of it. I took that out because it was deteriorating and so on and so forth. And this is this has two full range woofers, alright? And this is not a bass port, although it looks like one, because this one is a bass port, because this has 3 speakers. Here is the 3rd speaker right there. And this has a anyway, it has a folded bass tube that starts from here and goes all the way across here, goes back and forth, and finally ends up coming out this side over here, right? So that's how you can get quite an immense amount of bass out of this unit here. So, full blast. Well, and I can play this because this is YouTube Music Library music. I can play this all day long, so anyway. This is what it sounds like outside, and over there they're putting in a new pool. That's why you're hearing all that construction noise. So anyway, you hear that noise over there? Oh yeah, let's try the balance. See if I can get this thing up close. And so there's that. And I'm going to run the balance. That's that channel. You can't see, but that's this channel. And then we're going to go over here to that channel. And back here to stereo. Having too much fun here without a tripod and handheld and all that, but anyway, it works. That's all I know. So good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, I forgot to, well, you have to see, I'll put the link to the thread in Stereo to Go, which is where I repaired this at. See it there, right? Thanks for watching. Back to my end.